Good morning. Here we have a small litter. There's quite a few slugs in a litter. But Dad was a sharp blizzard. And Mum was a super paraglow jungle. So we have that. Unfortunately, that's a stillborn one there. So all these sunglows and paraglows. That's sunglow, you can see by the eye colour. And that's a paraglow because they've got darker eyes. And so all these are 100% het black-eyed anemone, so they're going to be great for me blizzard projects and phantom projects. So we'll see what we're going to sort them out, and I'll do another video. Look, there's one. Couldn't even see that one barely. Look, there's one hiding in there. So I'll see what we got. I think there's only about 10 babies, but still nice anyway. Then I'll update once I've cleaned them up. Thank you. Here they are, all cleaned up and going berserk. I'm not going to keep them in the tub, I don't think. So, gives you an idea of some of the patterns, markings on the jungle motleys. Some paraglows. Yeah, there's some nice babies in there. But as I say, these are all 100% het black-eyed anemone. That's a nice one. Might keep that depending on what sex it is. And I need to think of what I'm going to breed these to decide what sex of what to keep, and go from there. Anyway, thank you very much.